The Flipdish POS has been built by restaurant owners who know exactly what you need and what you don't. Not only is it really easy to use for your staff, which means you won't need to spend a lot of time training them, it also packs a ton of shortcuts and functionalities so you can manage your store, your sales channels, and your menu on the fly without having to log into your computer. And it works with Android, Windows, and iOS, and might even work with hardware you already own. With the Flipdish point of sale, everything is right at your fingertips. Let's start with one thing we know you'll appreciate and check often: your daily sales reports that show you how you're doing in real time, which you can also access via our Manager mobile app when you're not in your store. And your staff will surely keep an eye on our Overview tab, where you can quickly see which orders are being processed and which ones are ready, so they can inform customers or delivery drivers without having to bother anyone in the kitchen. From the Flipdish point of sale, you'll be able to receive all your orders in one place, no matter if they're from your Flipdish website, mobile apps, kiosks, and QR code order and pay, or if they come from food delivery platforms like Just Eat, Uber Eats, and Deliveroo. This means you can say goodbye to tablet hell, and you'll be able to distinguish orders by dispatch type like dine-in, takeaway, collection, and delivery, making it super easy for staff and the kitchen to know what is what and for you to report on the end of the day. Managing all your sales channels in one place also makes it super easy to snooze items or sales channels and dispatch types if you run out of an item. Let's say I'm out of cans of Coke. I can say for how long I want to snooze the item, for which dispatch type, menu, and venue, all from a central place. No need to log into your different food delivery platforms or website to make an update. Or if it's an especially busy night in store, I can decide to snooze one of the marketplaces in a click. Staff can do this on their own without having to ask the manager or log into the back office. Now let me show you how quick it is to make a sale. First, I select the dispatch type, in this case takeaway. Then I can see the menu, which is neatly organized in color-coded categories and with images so that I don't even have to read, which speeds up the transaction. You can easily customize how you want your menu to appear here from the back office. Once I've chosen an item, in this case a burger, it shows me the modifiers and then prompts me to remove items, which is optional. You don't need to have this in your flow. These are color-coded red so that it's easy for the chef to see on the kitchen display screen which items they need to remove. Then it shows me what we call upsell modifiers, prompting me to ask the customer if they'd like to add more things to their order. Would you like to add bacon or add cheese? All these are tracked against each staff member as they're encouraged to upsell. Changes to the order can be made on the fly by clicking on the live order screen, where I can add a note for the kitchen. For example, I can add a note for the bacon to be extra crispy. So if I go ahead and pay, you can hit full amount and then select cash or credit card. We've got integrated payments, so the amount is sent to your Flipdish card reader, saving you from entering the amount details on the device and making reconciliation easy at the end of the day. Other payment methods are also accepted, like vouchers. Once completed, the order is fired to the kitchen via printed ticket or the kitchen display screen, and I'm sent back to the login screen where I can enter my PIN or swipe my RFID card reader to process the next sale. It's that easy. Of course, there's a lot more you can do, like process refunds or issue staff meals, guest meals, freebies, and vouchers if you have the right permissions, which you can fully control for each employee. You can manage your float, close your till, or open the cash drawer. Say you run out of butter and need to run an errand. Those transactions are logged for security purposes. Your staff will also clock in and clock out from the point of sale and check the rota or requested days off. That means you don't need another app or software to manage schedules and payroll. And that's just a quick overview of what you can do with your Flipdish point of sale software. Make sure to ask your Flipdish sales representative for a fully personalized demo so you can see how the Flipdish point of sale can be tailored to your unique ways of working.